Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make photos collage in Canva using templates. Just simple, you can click more option here and you can find photos collage here. Just click and then you can select template that you like. So template here, for example, just click and just change the photos here and click upload. You can upload your photos here. For example, just open and just drag USB port. Okay, that's how to make photos collage in Canva using templates. You can click share and download the result. So don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click next button for version and shop. Thanks. Bye bye.